So these are the keyrings that I've made. They're super cute. You probably saw in the thumbnail. So I did a gummy hearts one and like a gummy bears one. So these hearts are actually made out of like clay, like silk clay, and these are made out of UV resin. So I'm going to show you my process. So first of all, I start off with a piece of PVC. This one's obviously glittery. I made the shape on my computer using Illustrator, and I used my Cricut machine to cut the shape out so it's nice and precise. Oh, I'm a poet and I don't know it. So I'm just folding this over so it's got 11 triangles along the top and on the bottom, and therefore this middle part overlaps so I can glue it down nicely. So this is the starting point. I'm going to do a gummy bear one. So I also have this, which I also designed in Illustrator, and I used my Cricut machine again with the print and cut function to print it and cut it out. So next I'm going to take this sticky back plastic, if I can take it off the backing, almost, yep. And I'm kind of making like a reverse sticker. So I'm going to place this down like so. So it's overlapping the print out slightly here on the left and the right, and it keeps this in place. So it looks like this. Next I'm going to use my craft knife, so I need to basically add some scores onto these triangles so that when I put the glue on it will stick together. Otherwise, if it's too smooth surfaces with glue, it will just slide and it won't really bond very well. So just making sure I do that nicely. And I also need to do this part here so that the overlap also sticks together. And then on this part here too. And again, more scoring along these edges. Almost there. Just want to make sure I have enough. Okay, so I'm going to glue along the bottom. I'm going to be using this Gorilla super glue. Super. So you don't need too much. I'm just going to put like a dot, making sure that they line up nicely. And now I'm just going to press down for a few seconds. So here is how it looks now. So as you can see, it's coming together really nicely. So just take this off. So I'm ready to add in the gummy bears. So I basically made gummy bears, bunch in here, using this mold and also UV resin. I'm gonna put in 2 of each colour. Cool. Going to use my tweezers to put them in. Come on, bear. I think these are super adorable, and I used acrylic paint and also glitter to make these. You can buy gummy bears, like resin bears that are already made online, like Amazon, Etsy and so on, if you don't have any resin or don't want to use it. So that's how it looks now. It's a bit hard to pick up in the camera, but it looks really cute with the bears in. So I'm just going to glue the top the same way I did for the bottom. And I just need to put the keyring on and it will be finished. So here is the gummy bear keychain I just showed you how to make. It's super cute. I hope you guys like it. I will just show you the hearts quickly. So for this keychain, it started exactly the same way, and the hearts look like this. So it's like white silk clay on the bottom and pink silk clay on the top. And I really like silk clay because it's like still squidgy when it's like kind of dry. So if you'd like to buy one of these, I'm going to put them in my Etsy shop. You might want to be quick though, as I'm only going to put around 4, 5, maybe 6. I need to see how many gummy bears and hearts I have, as I didn't make a load, I just made a few. So if you enjoyed watching the video, please leave a like, and if you'd like to see more from myself, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!